Here's a quick video showing how I list on Facebook Marketplace. Of course, first you go to Marketplace, then you click on Sell, then you click on that big blue Create Listing button. I choose one item because that's what this is. And then add photos. Not all my photos were quite loaded, but I choose them one by one to make sure they're in the correct order. You can do it however you like, but this is just how I choose to do it. Hit next. Now, you can do the title and description by yourself, or you can click the blue draft listing, which lets AI do it for you. Now, this is a local hat, so from a local company that's no longer in existence. So I wasn't sure how well it would do, but in this case, I think it came out really well. So we go and check the title, which is Red Corduroy Hat, Pittsburgh and Conneaut Dock Company. That's exactly what it is. Around here, I think I'll get about $8 for it. And it's used good. It's actually used very good. I might go back and change that. And then we'll go down and check the description, and it looks really good to me. So we'll go ahead and click next at the bottom after we check. We don't really fill those things in. We can. You don't have to, but you can. So now we'll click next. And we choose local pickup only on this particular one. And we do door pickup. I know some people aren't comfortable with that, but that's how we do it. Now, this hat comes from Conneaut, Ohio, which is in Ashtabula County. So I'm only going to choose the local Facebook groups that are in Ashtabula County, Ohio. You can see I accidentally clicked on Burke County, which is in North Carolina, not Ohio, so I unclicked it. But we're only choosing relevant groups. I don't want to clog up other groups with stuff that they don't want in there and risk getting removed from a group because I spammed it with something that didn't belong. But when you've chosen all the groups you want, you hit publish and it's done. So I like to click on the listing to check it, make sure everything's good. So that's what I do. If you heard that sound, that is the sound of a done listing. And I chose notify me when it's ready for people to see it. I quickly flipped through the pictures, and that is it. It is really easy to list locally on Facebook Marketplace. If you haven't done it, you might want to give it a try. If you're not comfortable with people coming to your house, choose public meetup or ship. Thanks for watching. You all have a good day.